Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to do your PicCollage. Go find the PicCollage app on your iPad and click on it. That's my last one that I made. So I'm going to go back to a new collage. If your old ones are showing, hit the plus sign, and then you're going to hit Freestyle. And then it says tap anywhere to add a photo. Let's do our background first. On the bottom toolbar, hit backgrounds and then find something that interests you. There's lots of solid colors. You might have options for, well, those are photos I've taken. I like to do patterns, and because mine is of an underwater scene, I'm going to choose something funky with blues in it. There we go. I love it. When you know what you want, hit the blue check mark, teal colored check mark in the corner. Then let's add our photo. Go into photos. Hopefully you already took a picture of your art. There's mine. Click on the check mark to add it. Using 2 fingers, you can pull your fingers apart to make it bigger. You can also tilt your fingers to change direction and even go inward to make it smaller. I'm going to go ahead and just do it right in the middle there. Looks nice, I think. Okay. Then I'm going to go to adding my sentence. This is what's going to make it more of an illustration, to kind of that story with it. So if you were doing an alliteration, that's great. You don't have to, but anything you came up with, I like to name my animal and then think of something they're doing. So for the fish, I might say, here's an F word, F-R-E-D-D, Freddy the fish swims fast. Hit that back button if you forgot a space or whatever. Fast in the fresh water. Okay, if you want to add an exclamation point, you can hit that arrow and add. That's fun, right? If you want to change the font, hit that T at the top and you have all these cool choices. That looks nice. Ooh, you can kind of play with which one you like the best. I kind of actually liked that one. Ooh, this is fun too. All right, now I'm going to play with color by hitting the paint palette. So maybe something real dark that's going to show up. There's polka dots. Wow. So many choices. I think I'm just going to go with classic black. There we go. Okay, then if you want to go back to the keyboard to write more, hit the keyboard button. And you can see you can go back in and adjust things, whatever you need. Hit the check mark when you're done. Now, you'll see that little arrow in the corner. That means you can move it around. Okay, maybe I want to make this bigger or tilt it off to the side or put it above. I'm going to do it below like it is in a book. I'll just do pretty straightforward. Okay, there we go. Now that's on. Now, other fun things you can do. You can do stickers. That's a great way to show... there we go. Here's more. A great way to just kind of show some fun digital collaging, right? I really like these stars. I'm going to put those on. Maybe I'll do some, here's some more stars here. There's some polka dots. So you can really just click on whatever you want. These hearts are cute. Okay, so then I've got 4 things. I'm going to go ahead and hit the check mark there. And then again, same thing. I can move these around, tilt them, make them bigger or smaller. There's more stars. Let's see, maybe up here in the other corner, we'll kind of spread some things around. These little hearts are cute. It makes me want to make the sentence smaller so I can put them underneath. And that's what you do, right? You kind of figure it out as you go. And then, oops, oh, look at that. My polka dots. There we go. Make sure you double click to make sure you're on there. If you double click, you can hit duplicate. You can layer it behind, you can remove it, or you can flip the direction. I'm going to duplicate these polka dots and do some over here, but I do want them behind the words, so I'm going to hit the back button. See how now they're behind the words? And now they're in the back. So cute. You can also do doodles. You can click on, here I'll do this dark blue here and maybe do some wavy lines, some squiggles. There we go, just some squiggles there. I don't know if I love these. Okay, I'm gonna go, I can hit the back button and it takes back what I just did. See that? I think you can also change how big they are by playing with this button as well. All right, now I'm gonna hit the check mark when I'm done. And anything else you may want to add, this is a good time to do that. Now, when you know you're officially done for good, hit the done button in the top right corner, and then you're going to want to hit save to library. Okay. There is one more thing I did want to show you. Let's say I don't like the doodles at all, or I don't like some of the last few things I've done. These arrows at the top, these curvy arrows, see that got rid of the doodle. Okay. Now I got rid of the next thing. And then if I hit it again, it'll bring it back. So that's another good thing to know, those arrows. Okay, so done, save to library. Okay, now when I go into my photos, it's saved to my library photos. There it is. And I can pull it up anytime I want. Okay, I can screenshot it and airdrop it places. All right, you guys, have fun.